Hello, we're at ESC San Jose. My name is Yvonne Lin, and I'm part of product planning with solutions. And I have here Brad Letsidel, who is the CEO and president of Power and Control Design, who specializes in
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Yvonne.
So what are some of the challenges that you see in motor or motion control?
Well, typically we see a lot of challenges in integrating a number of different components that are involved in motor control. We typically employ DSPs or MCUs to do a lot of our computational work for us, and then we also employ FPGAs to do a lot of the system critical tasks, such as fault logic and things like that. And then we also need analog to digital for processing our analog inputs for sensing and things like that. So usually those are oftentimes different components spread around the system, and we have to bring those together.
Oh, that's great. You know what? You spoke about, software and also hardware and also analog. That's SmartFusion.
Yeah. Well, we think the SmartFusion actually integrates really well in coming together and putting together these various components for us. So the SmartFusion device really brings together an FPGA fabric and an MCU and analog across an AHB bus. And these things make it a lot easier for us in one single chip to bring together all these functions that we've had in multiple chips in the past.
Oh, great. So let's take a look at the demo.
What I'll show you now is a demo of something that we developed. I mean, when Yvonne first came to us and Actel first came to us and said, why don't you produce something that you think is really going to showcase the SmartFusion product? I said, well, running one motor by itself, anybody can do with any FPGA and not need a microcontroller. But running 4 simultaneous loops while also communicating with the PC interface over Ethernet, real-time data, that would be impressive. And I think it's been the case today. There's been a lot of people stopping by taking a look at this. And what this is you've got 4 motors here running simultaneously. They're running a CAN profile that is in the ARM Cortex-3. And the ARM is actually writing data across the AHB bus, and the FPGA is putting that data out into IGBTs that's running at 6,000 times a second. We're outputting current for each motor. Simultaneously, while it's doing that, it's outputting real-time data over Ethernet to a PC that's gathering that data and displaying it. I think it's a really interesting technology demonstration of what can be done with the SmartFusion technology.